Let's go. She came out today with her own bike. The GSXR600. Her boyfriend's on the R1. The black R1 y'all saw earlier. I don't know how many bikes we got, but we got a lot out here. This is cool. We got ZX10R on the M1000, S1000, Superleggera V4, RSV4, ZX10 V4s, S1K, ZX10R6. You got another GSXR, Fireblade, GSXR, ZX10, R1M, 1199, I missed my baby. Yeah, CBR1000rr, ZX6R, I think, might be a 10R, 6R. This man is crazy right here. Absolutely crazy. R1, GSXR, S1K, V4 SP, S1K. Man, it's going to be a good day. Y'all already know. Good ass. That's just a fun name to say. I don't know why. Man, it is so cool to see like lady riders. Like that's so rare. Man, I need to find me a girl that rides. If you're a girl that rides, slide in my DMs, please. I'm just kidding. I think like 0.001% of my subscriber base is women. So there's a very, very low chance of that. Shoot, baby. Come get some of that FastLaneD. Alright, I need to chill out. Bro, I wish y'all were here. Like, just hearing these bikes all together is insane. There goes Tanner. Bikes merging on the highway. A little crazy. I thought it was the same girl from yesterday. Oh, that's a different girl. Nice. Oh, what? Like I said, Storm may not be the fastest, but she definitely one of the best sounding bikes, for sure. Gas station takeover time, boy. This homeless guy's like, what the?
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the all record, off record. I still count wins when they got it on record.
I want to be like somewhere in the middle here. I'm trying to figure out the best place to be. That freaking gold is insane. Absolutely insane. If we really got the track tires on there, boy. Crazy. Passenger on a bike for hours, maybe not hours, but at least like 2-3 hours. I guess that is hours. He got me all the way from stuff, boy. Ain't no way. And he's staying with the front of the group, so. off the bike.